All right, guys, we're back with another one. And this is your Hoco Premium E7. This is your wireless Bluetooth earpiece. So here we have it. This is the Hoco. This is the E7. This is your mini Bluetooth headset, and these look good. A lot of my friends have been telling me you've only been doing the stereo Bluetooths. What happened to the regular earpiece? Not everybody can wear two Bluetooths on the job. And I said, you know what? You're 100% right. And especially for the ladies, they've been the biggest critics. So this is for you ladies. We're going to do this unboxing video looking at these pink versions. And I must say, they look pretty good. All right, so we pretty much gotta use the knife, get into this. You got a small and a large ear tip, booklets. You have your USB to micro USB, and you have some poison. Let's take a look at this device. You got Hoco branding there at the side. You have nice looking chrome around the earpiece itself, and you got this popping pink. This looks good, man. The pink on this really looks good. You got a microphone in front, and you have your micro USB for charging there in the back. Now this is an angled fit right here, and this looks like it's gonna fit pretty good in the ears. It's gonna give off that nice look, and it's gonna match. There's those pretty in pink rose gold iPhones. So this is a nice looking Bluetooth headset, and you know what? The black doesn't look bad either. So let's pretty much get this paired up, and let's get straight into the sound test. So let's take this mini Bluetooth and let's get into that sound test.
Story like this, my chapter, and knowing I'm the first one, be no one after, locked in with the baddest, so nothing else matters, baby. You say you do better without the touch, I say you do better without the lies, go. The substance of fear I see in your eyes when you look at me. I'm always caught by surprise. I'm so used to you when you're intimidation. Hate it when you pout, still hate it when you down. Make me wanna shout. I know in the past I might have did you foul. You would yell, I roll loud in your mama house. All that disrespect, the shit that I neglect. Girl, you deserve the best. Fucking with me, that's a stretch. Free, that's when they smile in my face. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Yeah, no, they wanna take my place. I can tell that.
This mini Bluetooth is packing a little bit of a punch, man. I mean, the sound is definitely there, but we'll get to that in a second. Now, a lot of you guys might be concerned about the fit. It doesn't come with any hooks. It doesn't come with anything that can really secure it in place besides the different size tips. The unbreakable Bluetooth ear hooks, these can come in handy. I'll leave the link in the description for it. It doesn't give it a tight fit, but you guys heard the sound of this mini Bluetooth, and I must say, they got a pretty good sound signature. Now, it's not no thumping bass, so the lows is a little subdued. You definitely got some mids, and you got a little bit of hint of highs. A pretty good balance for a single Bluetooth. What are you buying this for? Just styling. You're buying this so while you're at work, you can have your other ear free to listen to the sounds of your environment, and this Bluetooth will give you the sound. So I'm going to check out the battery life. I'm going to check out call quality, and I'm going to continue to check out the sound. But stay tuned for the last word review, because as much as I want to try these, I don't wear pink. So I'll be using these, and I'll give you my last word review from the black version. But for you ladies, I wanted you to see the pink. So pretty much with that, this is the unboxing of these Hoco E7. This is your wireless Bluetooth earpiece.